Y'all gotta tell me about this match. Y'all gotta tell me what you think. Oh man, the one is looking at me right now with the saddest of eyes. He's just thinking about it. Man, I could have gotten third. I could have gotten second. Man, Chun-li is so cheap. I hate her. Man, he is not happy right now. He is not happy. So Bezeg and HRod DBU.
This Chun-li is gonna win. I'm telling you now.
The Chun-li is gonna win. Wow, the one making predictions already.
I can tell.
He's making predictions right now.
It's gonna be 3-0.
It's gonna be 3-0
or 3-1.
You think so? It's gonna be free like that?
Chun-li, man, seriously. He's got V trigger combos down. You know, some Chun-lis they combo into legs.
Right.
Air legs, just standard legs.
Right.
The good Chun-lis combo into spinning bird kick. That's when you know they're a good Chun-li.
And he combos into spinning bird kicks. Okay, I see.
And he's got the V triggers on lockdown.
On lockdown.
Combos.
So it's gonna be the crouching medium slide.
Jab, medium kick into the spinning bird kick.
Into the spinning bird kick. Oh my
Into a
god.
setup, into just...
Into damage, basically. Set up into damage.
I just hate this character.
You just
hate this character. Mainly because it's a bad matchup for character.
You think so?
It's definitely a bad. That standing fierce just nullifies everything Karen's got.
I'm willing to bet there's some Chun-li players out there who are willing to disagree with you.
Every Chun-li player that doesn't accept that Chun-li is the best of the best, maybe against Ryu, maybe, alright.
Maybe.
They're on the same
She's
level.
the best character in your opinion?
Hands down. Hands down.
Wow,
Hands
really?
down.
The best?
Definitely.
Okay. I don't know about that though.
Well, who do you think's better than Chun-li?
I don't know. Now that I think about it.
There you go. Chun-li, see, there we go.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Let us know who you think.
Here we go.
Starts off with a Colt. Fireball game. Wow, nice line.
Good sweep.
Wow.
I'm talking. Look at this.
Wow, that was so meaty.
I praised all his combos and he dropped it.
Yeah, that's commentator's curse. You should have said nothing. He would have hit it. Okay, they're playing the spacing game. They're neutral. Wow, tries to go for the heel. Okay. Wow. Into the spinning bird kick.
Okay.
Interrupts the meaty. I like it. Goes off the wall. Alright, back to the neutral. This is going to be the tail of the tape of this match. A lot of back and forth, a lot of spacing, a lot of not doing anything.
The Vega player knows exactly when to throw.
Yeah, oh, he does.
He definitely got that on me a lot. Of when to throw and when not to throw.
Yup.
It seems to be getting this Chun-Li.
Nice anti-air.
One button anti-air.
Well, you know.
One button.
And Vega's anti-airs are really bad.
It's a light kick.
Well, yeah, but I mean...
Chun-Li's anti-air is a light kick.
Yeah, it's really fast.
Right, I don't know what that spinning bird kick is.
Yeah, I think that was a missed input right there. Wow, just do it.
Oh.
Yeah, he dropped it.
He could have finished it. He could have finished it.
Again, you praise the combos.
What? He could have finished it again. Oh!
Why did he throw the rolls upwards?
Oh, what's happening?
Oh my god, 15 seconds on the clock.
Oh,
no!
Landed on it. That's... You know, he's going to
never
be
lucky.
that.
Yeah, that might get to him. That might get to him. Mistakes, stupid mistakes like that always get to him.
I've been there, man.
We've all been there.
We've all been there.
We've all been there. It's Street Fighter. No one's immune to that one. Oh, nice punish. Some good damage.
Didn't do anything. Okay.
Goes off the wall. Wow, dash under.
That button, man.
That button is really good. It is really good. I agree. Her anti-air game is really strong. And Vega's is not. He does have a secret anti-air though, which is the roll. It can anti-air.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it can anti-air if you time it correctly. But it's very finicky.
Oh, that was
wow,
good.
nice. Baited the spinning bird kick. Goes off the wall. Block. V trigger cancel, of course. The bread and butter.
Into nothing, bro.
Right, no pressure. I mean, I guess he decided to play it safe. Keep poking. Just playing the zone game right now. Back and forth, nice. He chases him down.
Oh, see, you can juggle off. That's what I'm saying, man. That's what I'm saying. Oh, see, that one button Andy at work right there. Again.
Wow, I don't know. Oh no, Be My Valentine failed.
Everyone's dropping stuff now.
They're playing really nervous right now.
Alright, the Vega capitalized on that well though.
Right. Nice punish, nice. Taking the round. 1-1. But yeah, you can tell nerves are starting to affect the players.
Definitely. Drops everywhere.
Everywhere. If you look at the floor on the stage, you just see combos laying around. See that in the back? That's combos. Wow. The pressure. Nice link. I love that link.
That was
Oh my
unlucky,
God.
but it did the job.
I mean, it got Vega off her back. That's all it was designed for. The Koken.
Small Kokens.
Yep. All day.
Oh, that's what just missed.
They're just looking at each other. Nobody wants to flinch. Nice bait.
They're definitely not.
Wow. Dash up throw. Doesn't get the meaty. Never quick rise against Vega. Uh-oh.
Why didn't you tell me this earlier, man?
Wait, I thought you knew.
I didn't know that.
I thought you knew.
I didn't know.
You should never rise against Vega.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
This is part of the 3-1 I was talking about. Okay. Just one. Just one. Just say this is just. I did say it was either 3-0 or 3-1, but this Vega is proven.
Watch it beat 3-1 in his favor. If that happens, I'm going to laugh
Then
at
I'm
you.
walking out.
Then you're walking
But
out.
the buses are still running right
I'm just gonna leave. So HRod takes that first game. Let's see if Chun will adapt. Again, they are playing very nervous.
Okay, so just for the recording, we made a mistake.
Why?
Because we had last match and we said it was Losers Finals.
And it wasn't?
This is Losers Finals.
Oh, I guess this is losers finals.
Oh, what? Oh, no. Where are we at? Let me look at the
It's
bracket.
definitely loses final.
Dynamo is still winners.
Is it
But
hot?
this is Losers Finals.
Yeah.
We're idiots.
Well, I guess we'll just play it out now.
But it says finals right down the bracket. The bracket is it's a follow the bracket.
It's the bracket's fault.
Oh, the carry. Yes. Finally, someone using it. Thanks.
His
Wow, this-
costume is just, it makes me, a bit hot, and sweaty. I bought this yesterday, thanks to a friend.
Hot and sweaty.
Jesus Christ, man. No, I love carrying man, but this...
Yep. Distraction 6.
Oh!
Wow, look at that. Gratuitous.
Lord,
Capcom, what are you doing?
Oh my
What are you doing to
God.
us? I mean, is it... explain this logic to me. She's wearing the jacket on her back, and she's running around like that.
Look, right, this is totally her style, right?
Oh, I see you. Just to show off, I can afford this
She's a
jacket.
classy lady, right? They weren't going to give her just the bikini.
Oh yeah, she's classy. That's true. I agree. Oh my God, jumping.
Knocking off the crouch medium.
Not game. Wow, the dash. Pressure game. Off the wall, nice block. Wow, dash and throw.
Vega knows about throws. Alright,
Another
is this
one.
going to be a throw loop thing? No. Alright.
Nope. Nice
reversal.
Stops the offense with that little jab. I like it. Reversal. Wow.
That's -2 on blocks, so anyone can do anything there. But
Yeah.
she used an invincibility move, so
Just goes right through there. Off the wall. Whoa, did not block correct.
he changed from Chun. He is going to lose. I apologize. I
Which
guess I'm
means
wrong. Right, look,
that I'm
if he-
probably
if he
going
was
to be
gonna
right.
stick- If he was going to stick with Chun, things would be different. Right?
You think so?
I don't know why he changed.
He's
It
probably
was
going to
close.
change. If he loses this, he's going to switch back to Chun.
Maybe, yeah.
He's going to switch back to Chun.
I don't know why he switched. It was a close game.
He might be regretting this change right now.
Definitely.
He might be regretting it.
Costumes too revealing. It's too distracting, man.
Yeah, it's true.
That's not
Maybe he
right.
was trying to distract his opponent.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, okay. You're right. Oh, see, this is what I mean. He could have got so much off that.
Yeah, he could have. But he's so nervous right now. He's dropping everything. What? That's the punish? He could have gotten a little more than that.
Definitely.
Okay, stops it. Wow, he's just DPing all
This
over the
was
place.
the wrong choice.
Those are just... He's realizing right now that he picked the wrong character.
I'm definitely expecting a change back to
Yeah,
Chun.
it's-
Unless he's got another character. This
Vega
Vega
is all over her. Wow!
Dash in throws. It always works.
It
Any
always
character-
works.
Any character, you just dash in, throw, it's gonna work.
And your prediction is going down the toilet right now.
I did not know he was gonna change the character, right?
Well, listen, that does not mean anything.
Did I not say Chun-Li play? I didn't say his name, I didn't say character, I said Chun-Li.
And this is why you don't make predictions against me.
You're right.
You're right.
Oh no, it's not the character.
Oh, what? No, wow. I think this is a mistake.
Game over.
I think this is a big
His-
mistake.
His Chun-Li was doing perfectly. I mean, other than the drops,
He could be sandbagging. I don't know, but
this is not the time to be sandbagging.
yeah, I agree.
This is it. He's got one more game. That's it.
If he's sandbagging, that would be the greatest sandbag in history.
He can't lose. If he loses it, that's it. He can't change character anymore. He has to
Right.
stick with character.
Right? And it's going to be a clean 3-0. Let's hope and punish. There you
That was
go.
good. That was good.
That was a nice punish.
Nice meeting.
Nice. Okay, keeps up the pressure. Jab. Okay, Blocks it this time. DP.
No one's actually going to try and challenge that EX claw dive.
I wonder why. I mean, you challenge it every time.
It's worth the trade, in my opinion.
Yeah, I think so as well, because you can make the Vega player stop doing it.
Exactly. Get him off you for a bit.
And that's one less tool in his arsenal. Wow! Throws him out of the V reversal. I love it.
It's game over. It's game over.
He is in his head right now.
I'm not biased at all, but this Vega is going to win.
Even though the health bars look similar.
I know that worked.
Yeah.
That
was random though.
I don't know why he did that. I mean, it's safe, but there was no reason to do that though.
We know the health bars are looking very similar, but
Karen has definitely got
the play style, you can tell by the way they're playing. All the hits are kind of random on Karen's side. They're kind of, nervous reacting.
Vega seems to be a lot more into this game than our current Karen.
Very controlled play from Vega.
Well, I'm going to call her him a Chun-li play. He's not a Karen player. Right?
Yeah.
He's not a Karen. This is. I want to give him the benefit of the doubt, but he's not proving himself yet.
Of course. But yeah, this is not a good look right now.
Alright, that was
okay.
good.
Okay.
I like that.
Yeah, he needed that. He needed to get this pressure off. Nice.
Okay, so he knows he pushes buttons a lot. Nice
Okay. Now it's time for him to turn up the heat. Oh, backs off. Okay. Playing the neutral game again. Vega is fully stocked though, so if he gets a hit, it's gonna hurt.
V-trigger and critical art. Okay, finally threw himself.
Wow, he wants out of the corner. Nope.
Yeah, that was good.
Nice.
Okay. But we're doing it. Oh, see.
Another one.
That was alright.
If he keeps this up.
Okay.
Nice. Okay, finally takes a round.
I think the Chun-li player now currently knows that he's not taking his throws.
Exactly.
So he's going to abuse that now.
Exactly. He likes to go for throws,
But he
but
can't
doesn't
take
tech him.
Yeah.
That's how you mask that weakness, though. You go for the throws.
See, I don't know if he reacts to that with the EX kick, but I've never seen that before. I'm going to have to remember that. That was pretty legit.
Some tech. Oh my god, this is a complete turnaround right now.
Stun, that's it.
Wow. She went in.
No.
Oh no, drops it. Okay. The momentum has shifted.
But
Has shifted.
Vega's still got critical. I was going to say he's got V-trigger as well, but he used it to get out of the corner.
Spends it.
See, I don't agree with that.
Yeah,
it's such a waste of meter.
Yeah. You could have kept it for the kill.
Yeah, exactly. He's got EX anti-airs with EX with center.
What, the dash? Okay, I mean...
I don't mind it when people do that, but still there's better use of meter.
Oh my god, no flinch there. He just dash up,
he's
low
looking
medium.
for the crush counter now. He's
Yep.
looking for the crush counter.
He's fishing. Oh, he gets it!
That's it. Alright. I am...
And he gets on the board. Finally.
I am very surprised at how this game is
He adapted. In that last round, you saw the adaptation happening
I
right
still think
in
he's
front of you.
he's not using his meter correctly. He is throwing it away.
But with every match, he seems to be
He's getting better.
better and better.
Like he's learning how
allocating the meter a little more smartly.
That meter management, man. It's
Better
very
combos, not dropping the combos. True, I agree.
Oh,
Nice
okay,
tag.
now he's
And he's starting to
Alright,
tech.
This is it.
Oof. There's a lot of buttons being whiffed right now. Okay. Dash up throw. That's still cheap. Let's go for the medium. Nice neutral jump.
Alright.
He had a hit.
Nothing off the jumping either.
Yeah. That was a solid hit too. Nice tag.
Another tech. Oh, that's
Oh
it.
my god,
He's going to do
crystals
some damage. Oh, EX? No.
Leo can.
He knows setups. He knows me setups. Alright.
Oh, stun. Oh my god, this is a complete turnaround. Be on your guard, my
Oh,
sir.
no.
Oh no, just throw that to be my
Karen
Valentine.
still has a V-trigger active.
Yup. She's gonna be able to pressure with that. Will he go for the gimmicks? Yup. A nice block.
See,
Wow, just random
don't
DP.
understand.
Yeah. Perhaps trying to react to that, to the wall dive. Oh my god!
What a comeback. That was legit.
That was beautiful.
legit.
That was beautiful. I think he's
that.
trying to react to the wall dive. Maybe. I don't know. I mean, that's the only explanation I have right now.
We should ask him afterwards. This is...
Yeah, we should get him on the mic and ask what the hell he's thinking. Wow, that was so random.
That was...
But I mean, if it works, right?
I don't agree.
You'll take the hit. You don't agree,
I
but
don't agree.
come to Street Fighter. Wow.
No
I
setup, okay.
think he dropped the combo there. What? No wolf punish though.
Could have got a full combo off that, still dropped it.
Yup. Back to the neutral. Wow, nice footsies. Nage.
Okay, that was good. That was good.
That was beautiful. Nope.
Here we go. Vega's got it. No.
Nope. Jabs him out of that.
Jabbed out.
Oh my god, the full punish. No!
Oh, that sucks.
Where was the V trigger? Where was the V trigger? Oh my god. There it is.
Right.
Oh, but that was the wrong one.
Both one more hit.
That was the wrong one though. If he had done the other one, or maybe he can't combo off of the low heart punch, I don't know. Karen has to be careful jumping right now. Because Vega has super. It will catch you out of the air.
This is it. Last one more hit from both of them.
And Karen has V-trigger. She can make whatever moves she wants to do safe. Be on your guard. Oh my
I
god.
can't believe that. No.
Off the wall.
Oh.
Yeah. And he doesn't challenge it.
Stay here. That was good. Vega player on point.
What did I say?
Look, he should have started Chun-li. I don't know why. I mean, he definitely proved himself later, but he was
Yeah, he
still,
did. He did.
Carried. There was like a lot
He
of
did.
mistakes. Random EX. I know it works sometimes. Random EX for centers. He could have easily saved them for anti-airs, but he just wasted meter.
Yeah, he did. That's true. I think, in all honesty, it might have been tournament nerves. I don't know.
True. He seemed pretty damn confident when he played against me, though. I'm just saying.
Oh boy. Nope, that's incorrect.